Hi guys, this is Priyam and welcome to PrintRide. Today in this video, we are going to show how to make the screen. So here we are taking two frames, one is wooden and one is aluminium. We will show step by step how to make the screen in both the frame. And this is called garment printing mass. For making the screen, we need some product like gum and the mask. So we will show you how to make the screen. Now Sagar will show how to put the garment mask on the screen. Now we are taking aluminum frame. This is Fevicol. This is also called SR. You have to put the SR on the frame. Put SR in all of the side. After putting the SR in all of the side, you have to leave for dry at least for 5 to 6 minutes. The frame is dry. So now we are putting the screen. Now on the top you have to put different gum that is called 743 gum. Before we have putting the SR, then we have to leave it for dry at least for 6 minutes. Now we are putting the other gum on the top of the screen. Adjust the screen before putting. You have to put in both sides. Now the frame is ready for stretching. Now we are stretching the frame. Now, until and unless the screen tight enough, you just stretch. Now stretch in the other side. It's finished. Now you have to cut the remaining portion. It's done. Now he is going to show how to put the mesh on the wooden frame. This is the wooden frame, and again this is the gum and mesh. Here no need to put gum before. You adjust the screen, then put the other gum, that is 743. No need to put SR. Directly you can put the gum in this frame. You can put the gum any of the two side or any of the one side. But here we are putting both the side, and we left two side for stretching. Now the screen is ready for stretching. Stretch carefully. Now stretch in the other side. No need to stretch fully. You just give half. Done. Now you have to cut the remaining portion. He's cutting the remaining portion now. Our wooden frame is ready. Now the frame is ready for printing. This is the wooden frame, and this is the aluminum frame. Both the frames are ready for printing now. Thanks for watching our videos, and for further information, please log on to our website www.printride.com. Do share our videos, subscribe to our channel. Links and description are given below. Do check. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.